Wheelie bar is definitely necessary with a 3S lipo. And we are back at the beautiful Velodrome, guys. Just look at it. We've just got a slight wind. As you can see, our flags are torn apart by all the wind we've had this winter. But today is really awesome. And we are here to test the Rapid Pro. Now, this is a brushless buggy from SCY or JJRC or whatever the brand is, guys. This is just a rebrand. You've seen this car in the gantry. You've seen it in the Rapid. There's a couple of monster truck versions of this same chassis platform as well. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this one, but I'm pretty sure you've seen this chassis in other vehicles as well. Now, a couple of things on this vehicle that is not standard. I put in oil-filled shocks. I've also put on the wheelie bar. This does not come with the vehicle. I actually got this one off of the JJRC Q130A brushless short course truck, which is almost identical on this vehicle except the body. And you get a wing with this one. That one you get the wheelie bar, and the tires are slightly different size. As you can see, the diffs are really open and they are very loose. So this should be a quick buggy. I'm really looking forward to it. Let's quickly look at the batteries that I'm going to be speed testing it on this Velodrome here today. So this is the controller that we are going to be using today, and it is also the one that is included with the vehicle. It's got a high, medium and a low speed function. This is very generic, but it does the job. Alright, so the batteries that we are going to be running on the vehicle today is the included 7.4 volt 1500 milliamp hour Li-on battery, and this one has got a 15C discharge rate with a T-plug. Now this is the battery that is included with the vehicle. Then, just to check if we can get a speed bump, we are going to be test running it on a 2S LiPo battery, a 7.4 volt 1600 milliamp hour 30C discharge rate. Now as you know, this has got a 35 amp ESC, and it is not recommended at all to run a 3S battery on it. So naturally, we've got a beautiful 3S battery from Giant Power. It is a 1300 milliamp hour 65C discharge rate, and this one should really liven up this little vehicle if those two is not going to do the job. So those are the three batteries. This is the car. As you can see, I've got my FPV camera mount on it as well, so that will be ready for the FPV footage for the Velodrome as well. So let's get cracking into this. Nice. So there was the last speed run I did with my Arma Vendetta. 70.2 miles per hour I got with it. So let's just reset. Okay, so it's set to max. GPS will take a couple of seconds before it catches up. Here we go, the GPS is ready. Okay, so let's put in the included battery that came with the vehicle. Right, so this is a Li-on battery. Probably not going to be as quick as a LiPo, but it's always good to know what you are getting stock with the car. For anyone that is not planning to buy any additional equipment with the car. Power button. That looks like it's ready. So let's see if the GPS is catching speed. Oh. Right, so let's see what it can do. Remember, this is a stock included battery. Right, give it another go with that battery. Really nice and stable. Back. All right, lively little thing. So on the stock battery, we've got a speed of 28.3 miles per hour. That's not too bad, 28.3 miles per hour. So let's put in the LiPo. Okay, so the 2S LiPo battery is installed. Oh, Oh, it does look a little bit more punchy. Yes, the GPS is measuring speed. There we go. All right, let's send it around and see. Oh, yeah. Lipo power, baby. Let's see what we've got. Is it going to be a big one? I reckon probably about maybe 1.5, 2 miles per hour, maybe 3. Let's see. Take it around for its second lap. Awesome. Right. Okay, so 30 miles per hour on the dot with a 2S lipo battery with a 30C discharge rate. So 30 miles per hour. Right, now let's put in the big boy, the 3S battery. I want to remind you guys, this is not recommended. I'm hoping and praying that we're not going to get a fire. Whoa. Okay, no fire so far. Let's see. Okay, let's go around. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Oh, yeah. 3S is where it's at. And remember, this is highly not recommended, but I'm highly recommending you do it. Wow. Jeez, that is quick. All right, so what do you guys reckon? I reckon about 40. Oh, look at that. 43.3 miles per hour. I'm not too sure what that is in kilometers per hour, but I am putting it on the screen now. I mean, that's where it is at. I know they say we shouldn't be doing 3S on it, but I mean, it just wakens it up, eh? Oh, really? Oh, no. Really? Shit. Always happens. Jeez, guys. What? That was a huge impact. Right, so damage assessment. Let me get the Let me get the camera first. Camera. Guys, so I see there is a mount. I found the mount. Huh. Oh, Delta case, as always. Alright, so that little trick brought this to an abrupt halt. Okay, so in short, what do I think of it? These guys, for the money, 99, I think it's below $99. I paid like 147 plus shipping. I think it was 170 New Zealand. It might be a little bit more than that. US, 99 US, maybe a little bit more. Jeez, what an incredible vehicle. It is quick, it is fun. I know it says there 2S, but I mean run your 3S on it. It's perfectly capable to do it. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you like FPV videos, I've got a couple of them with RC cars, so go check them out. They will be linked in the description below. Otherwise, go check out my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Johnny from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Let's go. We just gotta go hard.